Hi everyone, this is Prashant Parthiban. Today I'm going to take a training on differences between occurrence-based policies versus claims-based policies when it comes to commercial liability policy. So let's see, what do you mean by occurrence-based policy? Say you have a general liability policy or a professional liability policy. Say you are working in a medical field and you are a doctor, right? And you wanted an insurance so that if something goes wrong with your patients, like due to your profession, if something goes wrong, you need required coverage for your business entity. Now, if you take this example, you had coverage for 4 consecutive years, which starts from January 1st, 2016 until January 1st, 2017, and it goes on like this, and everything is an occurrence-based policy. Now, you are in 2020, January 1st, 2020. Now, you did some surgical operations in your professional life, and what happened is you did a surgical operation during the period of January 1st, 2016 to January 1st, 2017. This is where the surgical operation happened. Now, the patient comes back during January 2020 and says that, like, you did some operation during 16 to 17. As a result, I am having some side effects. And it can be a genuine mistake or no issue from your side as a doctor. Now, you need some kind of coverage, right? That's where we bring in occurrence-based policy. It's nothing but the policy that provides coverage based on the occurrence. The name itself you can see, right? Based on the incident. Even though the incident happened during 2016 to 2017 and now you are in January 2020, whatever the insurance carrier was giving coverage during this period of time, they will provide required coverage because you chose occurrence-based policy. Now, let's see what is in the claims-based policy. The same example, professional liability policy, where you had 4 terms, all are claims-based. Now, even though the incident happened during the period of 2016 to 2017, if you file the claim on January 1st, 2020, it is based on when you reported the claim, right? Say, they are not going to look at the incident date. In this previous example, you looked at the incident date, and during that period of time, whoever had the required coverage or whoever the insurance company that who gave the coverage, they will give required claim payment. Whereas in claims based, the definition is whenever you reported the claim, that is the date. So in this case, if you reported it on January 2020, the insurance carrier who gave coverage during this period of time is not going to give required coverage. Now, you may have a question, then how will the particular insured or customer get claim payment? That's where this 2 concept comes into play. Retroactive date, extended reporting period. So every time when you choose claims made policy, customer will give a date, retroactive date. So in this example, when they got the policy, say they are in the current term, maybe the current term is between January 2019 to January 1st, 2020. Now when they get the policy, what they will say is, add a retroactive date of, say, maybe January 1st, 2017 or January 1st, 2016. In this example, if they would have added a retroactive date of January 1st, 2016 to a claim made policy, then this coverage will be a valid coverage where this insurance carrier will give required coverage for this incident. Whereas in occurrence based policy, this insurance carrier had nothing to do with this claim. Whatever the insurance carrier that they who have been giving coverage during this period of time, they will give required coverage, because occurrence based is based on the incident date, whereas claims based is based on the date you reported your claim. Now, the second terminology you need to remember is extended reporting period. So what happens is, this is all claims based, right? So this is a scenario where the customer had any required coverage without any lapse. What happens if I have a claims based policy and after some time the policy is cancelled for non-payment or something, I don't have required coverage now. So in this case, what happens is, for claims based alone, there is something like extended reporting period, which means, say, like in this case, if you don't have coverage after this period of time and your coverage ends by January 2018, you can select a period of 2 to 3 months. Maybe here what will happen is the customer will say, I need an extended period until March 1st 2018, which means if there is any claim that are reported during the period of January 2018 until March 1st 2018, those things also will be covered under claims-based policy. So this is what I wanted to discuss at a high level. Occurrence-based is based on the date when the incident happened, whereas claims-based is based on the date when you reported the claim. On top of this, when it comes to claims-based, you need to have a reporting date, which is nothing, retroactive date, which is nothing but the date from which the claim will be covered. Second thing is extended reporting period. In case if you had a claims-based policy and currently you don't have any valid insurance policy, then what you can do is you can always extend the date from your expiration date, so that if there is any incident happened during that time, then you will be covered. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.